In this video, I'm going to reveal exactly how to make $300 or more a day on ClickBank using a totally free hack most people don't know about. So I'm about to hop on my computer and break this down into step-by-step detail so you'll know exactly what to do to start to make money. So let me hop on and dive in right now. Now, the amazing benefit of this method is that it's totally free. So it's perfect if you don't have any money to invest. Now, this method can literally generate $300 or more daily on total autopilot. Once you learn this method, when you watch this video, you can literally wake up to deposits into your bank account just using this simple and easy strategy. Now, you can use this method every single day, and it takes no more than about 5 minutes to do. I'm not even joking. And when you see this in a second, it's going to absolutely blow your mind. Now, be sure you stay to the very end of the video because you're even going to discover how to scale this to make even more money. Okay, so stay tuned because you do not want to miss this. Now, the very first step for this method is we need to find a high converting good product to promote because we're going to actually promote a product and start to generate commissions even while we're sleeping. So one place is clickbank.com. If you don't have an account, it's free to join. You just go to clickbank.com, click start here, and then you just fill out these little questions, go through the process, and it takes just a few minutes to actually create your account. Now, once you actually create your account, you want to log in. Okay, so once you're inside your ClickBank account, they have all these different tabs. Now they have dashboard reporting, okay, which is where you can actually see how many commissions start flowing in when you apply this simple and easy method, account settings, etc. But what we want to do is we want to go to the top and we want to click on marketplace, okay? Now this is going to take you to the marketplace. Now, like I said, there's a lot of different affiliate marketplaces online. There's JVZoo, there's Warrior Plus. But ClickBank is great for beginners because they have all these different categories. Okay, they have business and investing, computers and internet, cooking, food, and wine. Now, with this method, you can literally use any one of these categories or niches. Okay, so you can choose one that you're actually interested in if you like games, if you like health and fitness. Now, for the sake of this video, I'm actually going to go to e-business and e-marketing. Now, once you find a category that you like, you just want to open that up. And what you want to do is you want to sort results by gravity. Okay, so what gravity is, it's basically a general idea of how many other affiliates within the last week or so have been able to generate commissions with this product. So if we sort results by gravity, the top selling products are going to be at the top. And you can see this gravity score right here. So this product right here, this Get Paid to Use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube product, has a gravity score of 231, okay, which is absolutely incredible. Anything above about 50 is a product you want to consider promoting. Now you can go down here, live chat jobs, write app reviews, okay, but I also want you to notice the average dollar per conversion, okay, because you don't just want to look at the gravity score. It may have an amazing gravity score, but it only has an average dollar per conversion of $7, okay? So if we're going to make sales and we want to make good income, at least $300 a day, we want to make sure that this amount is a decent amount, okay? At least, I would say at least $40, okay? But the higher, the better. So let's go down here and let's look, okay? Because if we keep going, right here, the perpetual income 365, okay? This is absolutely incredible. It has a gravity score of over 50, and the average dollar per conversion, meaning the average amount of money you'll make when you get one person to buy, is $399, okay? So that's absolutely incredible. Now, once you find a product that has a high gravity score and a good average dollar per conversion, we just want to click promote, okay? Now you can just leave it on default and you want to click generate hop links, okay? Because this is actually our affiliate link. This is the link that we're going to get people to go to. And when they actually open this page, okay, and they go to this site, when they buy, okay, through our link, we're going to be able to make sweet commissions, which equal money into your bank account. So now you may be watching this video very, very closely. Maybe you're on the edge of your seat and you're thinking, this is incredible, but how do we actually get people to this incredibly high converting product? Well, as you stick with me, I'm about to reveal an incredible method that anyone can do that's very simple. So we go back to ClickBank and we want to open up this affiliate page, okay? Now, most of these products have an affiliate page. You can see right here. And we want to actually open this up in a new tab, okay? Because what this page does is it gives people much more information on what this product is. It shows, the potential upsells, downsells, and it shows also how people can earn money promoting this product, okay? It shows results other people have gotten using this product. So what we want to do is we actually want to leverage this page, and a lot of people don't know about this. So as you watch this video even more closely, you're going to learn something that 99% of affiliate marketers are not doing. So once we find this affiliate page, what we want to do is we want to go to the very top. We want to actually copy that URL, okay? Copy that website that leads people to this page, okay? Now what we want to do is we want to actually go to a website called web2pdf.com. Now, if you're watching this video on YouTube, in the description, there's going to be these links, okay? So don't worry, you can actually go after this video and go down below. But what this website does is it's actually totally free, and this converts our web page, our link, into a PDF document, okay? So this is very important with this method, as you'll see as you keep watching. So go ahead and paste that in right there, and we want to hit convert, okay? So it's loading, and once it finishes loading, we're going to be able to save this to our desktop or Mac computer, and we're going to be able to use this to get tons and tons of sales. Okay, so the web page has been converted to a PDF. Now, once that happens, what we want to do is we want to download this to our computer, okay? So you just click this button here, and it will actually download directly to your computer, and we can go ahead and use this with the next site, okay? So once that downloads, the next thing we want to do is we want to go to a website called pdfescape.com. And again, all these links are going to be down below. Now, what this site does is now that we have a PDF of our affiliate page right here, okay, the next thing we want to do is we want to actually edit that PDF, okay? And you'll see why in just a second. So what you can do is you can actually click free online, and you can click upload PDF to PDF Escape. And when you click that, you just want to choose the PDF from your computer, and you want to upload it to this website. Okay, so I just did that, right? So now it's uploaded, and you can see that entire page, okay, is now a PDF, which is absolutely incredible, right? So now what do we want to do next? Well, if we just take this PDF and we just start promoting it and getting people to this, yes, they're going to find out about the product, but they're not going to be able to buy from us. Okay, remember how we had this affiliate link right here. We want to copy our affiliate link, and now what we want to do is we want to go to text, and we want to actually insert text on this page, okay? So if I make this a lot bigger, what we're going to do is we want to type in something that says, click here for instant access, okay? Click here for instant access. Now what we want to do is we want to center this, and we want to actually highlight it, and we want to make it a hyperlink, okay? We want to actually link to this. So what we can do is we can actually click link, okay? And we can highlight that, and now we want to put in our affiliate link, okay? And then hit okay. So now what that does is when people actually go to this PDF and they click here, it's going to take them to our affiliate link. So what we want to do is we actually want to go through, and we want to do this on every few pages, okay? So you can do it here, click here for instant access, okay? You can go to link. I can highlight that, put in our affiliate link, and I can just keep going down and doing that every few pages. Now, once we do that, we want to go to the left and we want to click save, okay? And then what we want to do is we want to actually download this PDF to our computer. So now what we've done is we've actually found a high converting product. We downloaded that affiliate page as a PDF. We now edited the PDF so it has our links in there. The next step is we need to get people to go and download this PDF, so when they open it, they'll see our calls to action, and we'll start making tons of commissions. So you may be watching this video excited, eager, curious to know how in the world are we going to get targeted people to this page even while we're sleeping, totally for free. Well, what we want to do now is we want to go to a website called the freeadforum.com. And again, the link will be below. What this site does is it allows you to post free ads, okay, on this website. Now, once you post a classified ad, what you can do is get your ad in front of 400,000 plus members on this site. And again, it's totally free. All you have to do is create an account, okay, which is free to do, and then log in. Okay, now once you do that, you want to go to the top right and click Publish Your Ad. And what we want to do is select, first off, the category. What category does your product best fit under? Okay, is it for sale? Is it business opportunities? Okay, is it services? I'm going to click business opportunity. Okay, now you can even do a subcategory like work from home. Okay, and you can keep selecting subcategories, but that's fine for now. Now for the title, we want to make a very good eye-catching title. Okay, so you can do, free PDF reveals how to make $300 per day online. Okay, something like that. If you don't know what to do, the headline, you can do free PDF reveals, and then just go to this page and see what it says it does, right? So like, what is it, right? Oh, plug and play affiliate software. So you can kind of take what it says here and you can make it on your title, okay? And then for the description, we just want to write in, you can access a totally free PDF that reveals a working method to generate $300 or more a day. Just click here to access it. Now what we want to do is we want to go to Google and we want to go to the apps up here and we want to go to Google Drive, okay? Because what we're going to do is we're actually going to upload this PDF to Google Drive. Okay, so once we're in Google Drive, we just want to hit new and we want to actually go to File Upload and we want to choose the PDF. Now make sure it's the PDF with our affiliate links, not the original PDF. Okay, there we go, right? So this is actually uploaded. Then we just want to right click, Get Link. Okay, and we want to do restricted. We want to go anyone with the link, and we want to copy link. And then we just go back to our post right here. Just click here to access it. We put in our Google Drive link, and we say, enjoy. This will be very powerful for you, okay? For price, I put in free, and we can go ahead and select a region. Doesn't really matter, okay? Just pick a decent city. Please visit our website. Okay, you can go ahead and put in that website again. Go all the way through and then click no thanks. I don't want extra exposure. And then click publish. Okay, and what's going to happen is that ad will literally publish for totally free, okay, as it loads. And what's going to happen is that's going to get in front of a ton of people. Okay, you can see these are other ads that people have posted. And I can go to my account and I can actually see my ad right here. Okay, so I can view listing and this is what it's going to look like. People will go to that link, they'll download it. Okay, they'll download that PDF, they'll see our affiliate links, and they will start to buy. Now, before you get going, how do you scale this? Well, realize that you can post ads in tons of different categories. You can literally do this every single day, choose different products, create different PDFs, and you can start to generate tons and tons of commissions from ClickBank or other affiliate programs. Now, I want to share with you one other thing. If you send people directly to the PDF, you will generate commissions, but some people won't buy right away. It's best to actually capture people's information, such as an email, and then follow up through emails. If you want to discover my #1 affiliate system that you can access that gives you capture pages, done for you follow-up emails, so you can literally convert even more people into tons of sales per day, click the first link directly below in the description to access that free video. Anyway, my friend, if you got value in this method, you want me to make more, be sure to click the like button below. Also subscribe with the bell icon so you're always notified of my latest videos. And until next time, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.